Hello everyone, welcome back to PTE Core Hub, your one-stop channel for PTE Core preparation. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important tasks in the listening section: summarize spoken text. This task tests your ability to listen carefully, understand the main idea, and express it clearly in your own words. So, if you want to master listening, summarize spoken text, and gain confidence in your exam, make sure to watch till the end. Let's start summarize spoken text, and these are the most repeated summarize spoken text. First is Canadian skilled trades. The speaker talked about Canadian skilled trades. Firstly, there are 300 skilled occupations in the trade, such as plumbers, hairdressers, and technicians. Finally, the pay varies depending on the trade and location. Second is fruit washer. The speaker talked about the fruit washer. Firstly, spinach and lettuce are triply washed. Hence, special washers for fruits and vegetables are available at the grocery store. Third is food waste. The speaker talked about food waste. Firstly, the United States is considered the biggest food wasting country in the world. Hence, the majority of food waste comes from supermarkets. Fourth is job seekers. The speaker talked about interviews for job seekers. Firstly, it is important to express your feelings and emotions. Hence, the way to understand your passion and fit for the job. Fifth, water. The speaker talked about water. Firstly, water is a critical component of our environment and our bodies. You can go several weeks without food. So, water is absolutely critical. Sixth, agriculture and urbanization. The speaker talked about agriculture and urbanization. Firstly, you have rural areas and their relationship with urban areas. Hence, you need to increase productivity in the countryside. Seventh is climate. The speaker talked about climate. Firstly, a substantial amount of the land surface is used for crop and agricultural production. Hence, water and heat flows, and the regional climate change. Eighth, globalization. The speaker explained globalization. Firstly, the world is shrinking in terms of distance and speed. Hence, more and more young people around the world are rejecting traditional cultures. Ninth, technological nature. Technological nature is a term used to describe a picture of a natural scene. If you put a group of people in a room with a real view. Thus, human nature. The speaker explained human nature. Firstly, I teach in the division of eco-science, human nature, and animal behavior. Hence, we are animals, and I see animals in us. 11. Sound receptors. The speaker talked about sound receptors. Firstly, sound receptors in your ear, and they are beautiful. In conclusion, they can translate vibrational energy coming from your ear. 12. Fish. The speaker talked about fish. Fish are important because they help maintain the health of marine ecosystems and marine life. Currently, about 60 million people work in the fishing industry. 13. Park cleanup. The speaker talked about park cleanup. Firstly, today's cleanup will be divided into 3 different tasks. Hence, the last task will be to paint and repaint the tables and chairs. 14. Resilience. The speaker explained resilience. Firstly, resilience is not about avoiding difficulties or personal loss, positive mindset and building strong social connections. Hence, resilience is just an individual journey. 15. Culture exchange. The speaker talked about cultural exchange. Firstly, cultural exchange bridges gaps between societies and arts. Moreover, cultural exchange is a two-way street. Hence, it offers a glimpse of cultural exchange. 16. Coral reefs. The speaker explained coral reefs. Firstly, coral reefs are crucial for our planet, marine species, and sea life, and these ecosystems are under threat. Hence, it requires global efforts. 17. Sustainable tourism. The audio was about sustainable tourism. Firstly, sustainable tourism is a vital concept in the modern travel industry. Hence, it requires collaboration between governments and travelers. 18. Animals talk. The speaker talked about animal talk. Firstly, humans are pretty lucky with the way we can communicate. Hence, dolphins have one of the most sophisticated forms of communication. 19. Fruits and vegetables. The speaker explained fruits and vegetables. Firstly, some people are even removing this wax coating from non-organic fruits and vegetables. Therefore, both organic and non-organic products can be consumed. Bees, diamonds. The speaker explained diamonds. Firstly, some diamonds contain silicate minerals and garnet. These minerals can be dated by radioactive decay techniques. Hence, garnet crystallography is similar to silicate. Things to remember for summarized spoken text. 1. Focus on main idea or key points. Don't try to write everything. Capture the central idea. Jod 2 to 3 supporting details. Avoid including minor examples or repeated words. Though, word limit 20-30 words, minimum 20 words is a must. Stay under 2-27 words. Don't overwrite. 3. Take smart notes while listening. Use keywords, not full sentences. Note down who, what, when, why, how, result. This is the example how to write ASST. That's all for today's video on summarized spoken text. Remember, practice is the key to improving your listening and writing skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and practice materials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to guide you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck with your private preparation.